everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your soda fountain shop businesses. As an owner of soda fountain shop, you got many queries of your customer regarding ordering drinks, delivery timelines and customer support in the same time. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your soda fountain shop businesses, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer automatically. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of soda fountain shop, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabbly Soda Fountain Shop. How can I help you? While providing me 3 different options such as order drinks, delivery update and support. If I'll click on order drinks, then it will respond to me like that. Please select the flavor while providing me 3 flavors of the drink such as strawberry, lemon, pineapple. If I'll click on lemon, then it will respond to me like this while providing me one option, order now. If I'll click on order now, see, it will respond to me by thank you for ordering from our Pabbly Soda Fountain shop. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our bot will respond to our customer. You can create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your soda fountain shop. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So let's get started. At first you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can go in sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining as well as your WhatsApp number added. With the help of this plus add WhatsApp number, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. If you click on this button, it will provide you 2 options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the another is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also create multiple folders and in this home section you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number which are added to your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is Inbox in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contacts details, create segment, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queue in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for send up bulk messages to many users at once. It is used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we also provide one video of how to use an AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings, where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the get helps, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow builder, so I'll click on this button flow. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of flow builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of our flow, but before this, first you have to give to the name to your flow that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our soda fountain shop businesses, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options. The one is messages and the another is action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. On the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button you can update your flow. So let's get started. There are the three ways to start our flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple types of template and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. As I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex, so here I am entering the regex, here I write it. After that, now I want to add one welcome message for my customer for messaging in my WhatsApp account of Soda Fountain Shop. For writing this, here I am adding one text button. It will provide me one message box where I can enter my message. Here I write it. While at the end of this message, I'll ask one question to my customer that how can I help you? So for answering this, I'm providing some options to my customer with the help of this plus add button. If I'll click on this button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first option as order drinks. The second option I'll write as delivery updates. And the third option I'll write as support. Here I provided all the three options for my customer. Now I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now in the next step, when my customer wants to order a drink from my soda fountain shop, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and enter one message such as please select the flavor. Now I am providing some drink flavors for my customer with the help of this plus add button. The first flavor I write as strawberry. The second flavor I'll write as lemon. And the third flavor I'll write as pineapple. After that, when my customer wants to order a strawberry drink from my soda fountain shop, then they will click on this button. So I'll upload one image of strawberry drink with an option that order now. For this, I'll click on this media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here, select media type as image and uploading one image of strawberry drink that are available in my soda fountain shop by clicking on this button. Here I uploaded. Now I add one caption for my customer that the name of this drink, that is strawberry drink. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of strawberry to the message I wrote here. It is connected. Now the second flavor drink I am providing to them is lemon drink. So if my customer wants to order this drink, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as media. It will provide me one message box where I can select media type as an image and upload one image of lemon drink by clicking on this button. See, the image is updated successfully. Now I'll enter one caption, the name as lemon drink in this enter caption box. Here I write it. After that, when my customer wants to order this lemon drink, for this I am providing one order now button for them by clicking on this plus add button and write enter text as order now. Here I write it, as well as same in this drink also I'll add one button that is order now. So that if my customer wants to order strawberry drink, then they have to click on this button, order now button. Now the third one is the pineapple drink. If my customer wants to order pineapple drink, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond response to them. For this, here I am adding one another media button. Drag this message box here. Select media type as image and upload one image of pineapple drink. Here I uploaded. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of pineapple to the drink that I added here. In this enter caption box, I'll write the name of this drink, that is pineapple drink. Here I write, see, I write this pineapple drink in the asterisk sign because with the help of this sign, this message will go to my customer WhatsApp number in the bold format. Now I'll add one add button for my customer for ordering this drink, that is order now. Here I write it. After that, when my customer order any of these drinks, then they will click on this order now button, so my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one text button. Drag this message box here and writing the thank you message for ordering the drink from my soda fountain shop. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of order now to the thank you message that I wrote for my customer. As well as I done the same for this circle and for this circle also. When my customer order any of these drinks, then the response that my bot will give it to them is the same that I write it here. Thank you for ordering from our Pabbly soda fountain shop. See, it will work like this. Now the second option is delivery updates. If my customer wants to know about the delivery updates in my soda fountain shop, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and entering the delivery details of my soda fountain shop. Here I write all the delivery timelines. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of delivery update to the message I wrote for my customer. The last option is the support. If my customer wants to know about the contactual details of my soda fountain shop, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and entering the contactual details of my soda fountain shop. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of support to the message I wrote for my customer. So our flow is completed. Now you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll show you how this chatbot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of soda fountain shop. Here I send it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabbly Soda Fountain. How can I help you? While providing me 3 different options, that is order drinks, delivery updates and support that we were written here. See. Order drinks, delivery update and support. If I'll click on order drinks, then it will ask me to choose the flavor of the drink that I want to order. If I want to order a lemon drink, then I'll click on this lemon. See, the bot will respond to me automatically while providing me one picture of lemon drink that we were uploaded here. See, lemon drink. If I'll click on this order now, then bot will respond to me like this. If I'll click on support button, then it will provide me the contactual details of the soda fountain shop. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our chatbot will respond to our customer automatically, instantly. You can create this type of chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.